guys, do this 5 years bago ka mag-retire. You know that retirement is the last season or last quarter of our life. So, kailangan maging masaya na talaga tayo this season. So, kung naging masaya ka nung 40 to 50 years old ka, dapat mas masaya ka sa retirement years mo. So, I will give you some tips para ma-enjoy mo to. Number 1 is you should have an allowance of 300,000 K. Ito yung tinatawag natin na fuel money na kung saan pwede mong gamitin ito para mabili mo yung project na gusto mo or kaya kung gusto mo naman mag-voyage or mamasyal, meron kang pera, di ba? Number 2 is you have to have an engaging community na kung saan makakasalamuha ka ng ibang tao like IMG community. So, talagang ang dami mong makikilala dito. If you want, PM me and I can guide you for membership. And number 3 is you have to have an activity na kung saan magagamit mo yung talent mo like marunong ka mag-painting, mag-editing, photography, dancing or some other activities na magagamit mo pag ikaw ay retire na, makakatulong ka pa sa ibang tao at kikita ka. At the last one is yung 1/4 ng pera mo, ilagay mo na sa investment para kumita at ilagay mo na sa stocks yan or bumili ka ng two-door apartment para meron kang passive income, di ba? Ang ganda. So, yun lang today, guys. See you soon. God bless. Bye-bye.